Hello and welcome. When you think about life insurance, it is easy to picture a payout after someone is gone. But what if life insurance could be your financial ally right now? In this episode, we will uncover how life insurance goes beyond the traditional death benefit, offering support for your financial growth, your goals, and even unexpected challenges while you are still alive. This question opens up a world of possibilities that many people overlook when considering life insurance. For those of you who do not know me, I am your host, Marie-Jo César, a financial wellness strategist dedicated to empowering you to take control of your money from the inside out. And I like to add that the Merging Life and Money Show is where we explore the intersection of financial wellness and life's important decisions. Today marks the third episode in our Life Insurance Awareness Month series. In our previous episodes, we laid the groundwork by discussing the fundamentals of life insurance and its role in financial planning. Now, we are taking a deeper look at how life insurance can be one of the smartest moves you can make, not only for your future, but for your present. It is a powerful tool for sustaining and supporting your loved ones throughout their entire lives. Insurance is often seen as a safety net, a financial cushion that comes into play only after we are gone. However, its impact can be felt long before and long after, shaping the financial landscape of our families for generations. From funding education to facilitating business succession, life insurance can be the cornerstone of a comprehensive family financial strategy, helping you achieve long term financial goals. To help you navigate this complex topic, we've prepared a special resource for our listeners, the Family Life Insurance Checklist. In fact, the QR code behind me will take you to the link to that resource. So, this comprehensive guide will help you assess your family's needs and ensure your life insurance policy aligns with your long term goals. So, whether you are a new parent, a business owner, or simply someone who wants to secure their family's future, this episode is for you. Let's explore how life insurance can be more than just a policy, as it can be a legacy of love and financial security for your family. Welcome to the Merging Life and Money Show. I did a few moments ago. Life insurance stands as a cornerstone in the foundation of family financial planning. It is not just about providing a lump sum payment upon death, it's about creating a comprehensive financial safety net that supports your family's goals and aspirations, even in your absence. Let's start by examining how life insurance creates an immediate financial safety net for your family. When a breadwinner passes away, the family often faces not only emotional distress, but also significant financial challenges. Bills still need to be paid, mortgages need to be maintained, and daily living expenses continue. Life insurance steps in to fill this financial gap, ensuring that your family can maintain their standard of living without the added stress of financial instability. This concept of income replacement is a fundamental aspect of life insurance. Consider this. If you earn $50,000 a year and have 20 years left until retirement, your family could potentially lose $1 million in future income if something were to happen to you. A life insurance policy can replace this lost income, providing your family with the financial stability they need to move forward. However, The benefits of life insurance extend far beyond immediate financial security. It can also play a pivotal role in supporting long term family goals. One of the most significant expenses many families face is funding their children's education. The cost of higher education continues to rise, with the average annual cost of tuition and fees at a private 4 year college in the United States reaching over $38,000 for the 2022-2023 academic year, according to the College Board. A well structured life insurance policy can ensure that your children's educational aspirations are not compromised, even if you are not there to support them financially. Furthermore, life insurance can provide support for aging parents. As our population ages, many individuals find themselves part of the sandwich generation, caring for both their children and their parents. A life insurance policy can provide the necessary funds to ensure your parents are cared for, even if you are not there to provide that care yourself. Another often overlooked aspect of life insurance is its role in facilitating intergenerational wealth transfer. Life insurance can be a powerful tool in estate planning, allowing you to leave a financial legacy for future generations. Unlike other assets, the death benefit from a life insurance policy is generally income tax free to the beneficiary. This tax advantage makes life insurance an efficient way to transfer wealth to your heirs. For example, if you have a sizable estate that may be subject to estate taxes, a life insurance policy can provide liquidity to pay these taxes, preventing your heirs from having to sell off assets to cover the tax bill. This strategy can be particularly beneficial for families with illiquid assets like a family business or real estate. Speaking of family businesses, life insurance can play an important role in ensuring business continuity. If you are a business owner, a life insurance policy can fund a buy sell agreement, ensuring that your family receives fair value for your share of the business while allowing your business partners to continue operations smoothly. As we navigate through these various aspects of family financial planning, it is essential to refer to our family life insurance checklist that I mentioned earlier. This resource provides a structured approach to assessing your family's needs and ensuring your life insurance coverage aligns with your long term financial goals. In the checklist, you will find a section dedicated to family financial planning. This section prompts you to consider various factors such as your current income, future earning potential, outstanding debts, and long term financial goals. By working through these points, you can gain a clearer picture of the life insurance coverage your family needs. Remember, life insurance is not a one size fits all solution. The amount and type of coverage you need will depend on your unique family situation, your financial goals, and your stage of life. For instance, a young family with a new mortgage and young children will likely need more coverage than an older couple whose children are grown and whose home is paid off. It is also worth noting that your life insurance needs will change over time. So, as you pay down debts, accumulate savings, and your children become financially independent, you may find that your life insurance needs decrease. Conversely, as you take on new financial responsibilities or start a business, your need for coverage may increase. That is why it is so important to regularly review and update your life insurance coverage to ensure it continues to meet your life's changing needs. In our next segment, we will explore how life insurance can serve as a catalyst for family well being, going beyond financial security to enhance the overall quality of life for your loved ones. But before we move on, I encourage you to pause for a moment and reflect on your current financial plan. Are there gaps that life insurance could help fill? Are there long term goals that a well structured life insurance policy could help secure? Keep these questions in mind as we continue our discussion on the lifelong benefits of life insurance. While financial security forms a bedrock of family stability, the impact of life insurance extends far beyond mere monetary considerations. It serves as a catalyst for overall family well being, touching various aspects of life that contribute to happiness, stability, and peace of mind. Let's begin by examining how life insurance can significantly reduce financial stress within the family unit. Financial stress is a leading cause of marital discord and family tension. According to a survey by the American Psychological Association, money is consistently ranked as one of the top sources of stress for Americans. By providing a financial safety net, life insurance alleviates stress, allowing families to focus on what truly matters, their relationships and personal growth. Consider the peace of mind that comes from knowing your family will be financially secure, even if the unexpected happens. This sense of security can transform family dynamics, fostering an environment of emotional stability and resilience. It allows family members to pursue their passions, take calculated risks, and live life to the fullest without worrying about what if. Furthermore, life insurance can prevent financial disputes among family members in the event of a loss without adequate coverage. Families may find themselves in disagreement over financial responsibilities or inheritance. Life insurance provides clarity and fairness, ensuring that each family member is taken care of according to your wishes. Moving beyond stress reduction, life insurance can enable lifestyle choices and family experiences that might otherwise be out of reach. For instance, it can allow a surviving spouse to maintain a desirable work life balance. In the event of a loss, the surviving partners may need to work longer hours or take on additional jobs just to make ends meet. However, with adequate life insurance coverage, they may have the option to work part time or even take off to care for children and pursue personal goals. This flexibility extends to families' experiences as well. Life insurance can fund family vacations, educational trips, or other memory making experiences that contribute to family bonding and personal growth. These experiences, while often overlooked in financial planning, play a significant role in family well being and creating lasting memories. In our family life insurance checklist, you will find a section dedicated to family well being considerations. This section prompts you to think about factors such as desired lifestyle, family traditions, and personal aspirations. By considering these elements, you can ensure that your life insurance coverage not only provides financial security, but also supports the quality of life you envision for your family. Another key aspect of family well being that life insurance can support is health and wellness. Many people are unaware that some life insurance policies offer health and wellness benefits. This can range from discounts on gym memberships to access to health screening services. By promoting preventive care and healthy lifestyles, these benefits can contribute to the long term health and well being of your family. Additionally, some life insurance policies offer what are known as living benefits. These are benefits that can be accessed while the policyholder is still alive, under certain circumstances. For example, some policies allow you to access a portion of your death benefit if you are diagnosed with a terminal illness. This can help cover medical expenses or fulfill bucket list wishes, providing comfort and financial relief during a difficult time. The concept of living benefits aligns with a holistic view of financial wellness, recognizing that life insurance can provide value throughout one's life, not just after death. It is a prime example of how life insurance has evolved to meet the changing needs of families in the 21st century. As we discuss these various aspects of family well being, it is important to note that the benefits of life insurance extend beyond the immediate family. For many people, their definition of family includes aging parents or other relatives who may depend on them financially. Life insurance can provide the means to continue supporting these loved ones, ensuring their well being, even if you are no longer able to provide direct care. Let's consider a real life example to illustrate these points. Anne, a successful entrepreneur and mother of two, purchased a comprehensive life insurance policy that included living benefits. A few years later, she was diagnosed with a serious illness that required her to step back from her business. Thanks to the living benefits in her policy, she was able to access funds to cover her medical expenses and hire additional help for her business. This allowed her to focus on her recovery without the added stress of financial worries. Her family was able to maintain their lifestyle, and her children's education plans remained on track. So, Anne's foresight in choosing a policy with living benefits made a significant difference in her family's ability to navigate this challenging time. This example underscores the importance of carefully considering policy features when selecting life insurance. In our family life insurance checklist, you will find a section of policy features to consider. This includes options like living benefits, which can provide valuable support during unexpected life events. It's also worth noting that the benefits of life insurance on family well-being can be felt even if the policy is never claimed. The mere presence of adequate coverage can provide a sense of security that permeates all aspects of family life. It can empower family members to pursue their dreams, take calculated risk, and live life to the fullest. And I mentioned that before, knowing that there is a financial safety net in place. As we wrap up this section on family well-being, I encourage you to think about your own family's needs and aspirations. How could life insurance support not just your family's financial security, but their overall quality of life? What experiences or opportunities could it enable? How could it contribute to your family's health and wellness? These are important questions to consider as you evaluate your life insurance needs. Remember, life insurance is not just about planning for worst case scenarios. It's about creating opportunities, enabling dreams, and supporting the well being of those you love most. By viewing life insurance through these lens, you can make more informed decisions about the type and amount of coverage that is right for your family. In our next segment, we'll explore how life insurance can serve as a vital tool for family business continuity, ensuring that the legacy you've built can be passed on to future generations. But before we move on, take a moment to reflect on the ways life insurance can enhance your family's well being. Are there aspects of your family life that could benefit from the security and flexibility that life insurance provides. So keep these thoughts in mind as we continue our exploration of the lifelong benefits of life insurance. For many families, a family business is more than just a source of income. It is a legacy, a source of pride, and often the culmination of years of hard work and dedication. However, without proper planning, the unexpected loss of a key family member can jeopardize the future of the business. This is where life insurance steps in as a fundamental tool for ensuring family business continuity. Let's start by looking at how life insurance can protect family businesses. One of the most common applications is funding a buy sell agreement. A buy sell agreement is a legally binding contract that stipulates what happens to a business owner's share of the company if they die, become disabled, or want to leave the business. Life insurance can provide the funds necessary to execute this agreement. For example, let's say you and your siblings co own a successful family business. You both have a buy sell agreement stating that if one of you passes away, the surviving owner will buy out the deceased owner's share of the business. Life insurance can provide the funds for this buyout, ensuring that the deceased owner's family receives fair value for their share of the business while allowing the surviving owner to continue running the company without having to liquidate assets or take on debt. This strategy not only protects the business, but also provides financial security for the family of the deceased owner. According to a study by the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, only 30% of family businesses survive into the second generation, and only 12% make it to the third. Proper use of life insurance in buy-sell agreements can significantly improve these odds by providing a smooth transition of ownership. Another vital component of protecting family businesses is key person insurance. In many family businesses, certain individuals possess unique skills, knowledge, or relationships that are essential to the company's success. The loss of such a key person could severely impact the business's operations and profitability. Key person insurance provides a financial cushion that can help the business weather the storm and find or train a suitable replacement. For instance, if your family business relies heavily on your expertise in product development or your relationships with key clients, a key person insurance policy on your life could provide a company with the necessary funds to hire and train a replacement or to offset lost revenue during the transition period. Moving beyond protection, life insurance also plays a vital role in facilitating business succession planning. One common challenge in family businesses is how to fairly distribute assets among heirs when the business represents a significant portion of the estate. Life insurance can be used to equalize inheritances among heirs. Consider this scenario. You have two children, but only one is interested in taking over the family business. You want to leave the business to the child who is interested, but you also want to treat both children fairly. Life insurance can provide a solution. You could leave the business to the interested child and use a life insurance policy to provide an equivalent inheritance to the other child. This strategy ensures that both children are treated equitably without having to split up or sell the business. According to the Family Business Institute, 88% of current family business owners believe the same family or families will control their businesses in 5 years. However, Succession statistics undermine this belief. Life insurance, when used strategically in succession planning, can help turn this belief into reality. Furthermore, life insurance can fund transition strategies in family businesses. For example, if you plan to gradually transfer ownership of your business to your children over time, life insurance can provide liquidity to buy out your share if you pass away before the transition is complete. This ensures that your estate receives fair value for your ownership stake while allowing your children to continue with the planned transition. Another often overlooked application of life insurance in family businesses is its use as employee benefit to support retention. In today's competitive job market, attracting and retaining top talent is key for business success. Offering life insurance as part of an employee benefit package can be an attractive perk, especially for key employees. Some businesses use a strategy known as golden handcuff to retain valuable employees. This involves offering a significant life insurance policy as part of a compensation plan. The employee gets the benefit of the life insurance coverage, and the company retains a valuable team member. If the employee leaves before a specific time, they automatically forfeit the policy. In our family life insurance checklist, you will find a section dedicated to family business continuity. This section prompts you to consider various aspects of your business, including its value, key personnel, and succession plans. By working through these points, you can identify areas where life insurance could play a central role in ensuring the longevity of your family business. It is important to note that the use of life insurance in business planning can be complex and often requires careful consideration of tax implications. For instance, the IRS has specific rules about how business owned life insurance policies should be structured to avoid tax complications. This is why it is so important to work with experienced professionals, including a financial advisor, a tax professional, and an attorney when implementing these strategies. Let's consider a real world example to illustrate this concept. The Brown family has owned a successful manufacturing business for 2 generations. John Brown, the current owner, wants to ensure a smooth transition of the business to his daughter, Jeannie, who has been working in the company for years. However, John also wants to provide for his son, Michael, who has pursued a career outside the family business. John works with his financial advisors to develop a comprehensive plan using life insurance. They set up a buy sell agreement funded by a life insurance policy on John's life with the business as a beneficiary. This ensures that if John passes away unexpectedly, the business will have the funds to buy out his share from his estate, allowing Jeannie to take full ownership. Additionally, John takes out a separate life insurance policy naming Michael as a beneficiary. So the death benefit is roughly equivalent to the value of the business, ensuring that both children receive an equitable inheritance. This strategy allows John to keep the business intact for Ginny while still providing fairly for Michael. John also implements a key person insurance policy on himself and Ginny, recognizing their essential roles in the company's success. This provides an additional layer of protection for the business during the ownership transition. This example illustrates how life insurance can be used strategically to address multiple needs in a family business scenario, facilitating business succession, equalizing inheritances, and protecting the business from the loss of key individuals. As we wrap up this section on family business continuity, it is worth emphasizing that these strategies require careful planning and regular review. Business values change, family dynamics evolve, and tax laws are updated. That's why our family life insurance checklist includes a section on regular review schedule. We recommend reviewing your life insurance coverage and business succession plans at least annually or whenever there is a significant change in your business or family situation. Remember, the goal of using life insurance in your family business is not just about protecting against worst case scenarios. It's about creating a robust framework that allows your business legacy to thrive for generations to come. It's about providing peace of mind, knowing that the hard work you've poured into your business will continue to benefit your family, even if you are no longer there to guide it. Now, in our next segment, we will walk through the family life insurance checklist together, providing you with a practical tool to assess your family's life insurance needs comprehensively. But before we move on, take a moment to reflect on your own family business situation. Are there areas where life insurance could provide valuable protection or facilitate future plans? Keep these thoughts in mind as we continue our exploration of the lifelong benefits of life insurance. As we are about to end today's episode about the lifelong benefits of life insurance, it is clear that this financial tool offers far more than just a payout. From creating a financial safety net and supporting long term family goals to reducing stress and ensuring business continuity, life insurance plays a versatile role in sustaining and nurturing our loved ones. Remember, life insurance is not about death, it's about life. It's about empowering our families to live fully, pursue their dreams, and carry on your legacies. And as my friend, the renowned financial advisor Susie Orman once said, life insurance provides a foundation of financial security in an otherwise unpredictable world. Throughout this episode, we've seen how life insurance can be a cornerstone of family financial planning, a catalyst for family well being, and a vital tool for family business continuity. We've explored how it can fund education, support aging parents, facilitate wealth transfer, reduce financial stress, enable lifestyle choices, and ensure smooth business succession. The key takeaway is that life insurance is not a one size fits all solution. Your coverage should be as unique as your family's needs and goals. That's why regular review and updating of your life insurance coverage is so important. As your life evolves, so should your protection. In the unpredictable journey of life, having the right life insurance coverage is like having a trusted companion always there to support and sustain your loved ones, come what may. Now that we've explored the lifelong benefits of life insurance, it's time to take action. I encourage you to download our family life insurance checklist from our website. The link is on the QR code on my backdrop here. This comprehensive tool will guide you through assessing your family's needs and ensuring your life insurance aligns with your long term goals. So take some time this week to sit down with your family and work through the checklist together. Discuss your financial goals, your concerns, and your vision for the future. Use this as an opportunity to have open and honest conversations about financial security and family well being. Once you've completed the checklist, consider scheduling a meeting with a financial advisor or insurance professional. They can help you understand your findings and design a life insurance strategy that truly meets your family unique needs. Unique needs. Remember, the best time to review your life insurance is now. Do not wait for a life-changing event to prompt action. Your family's financial future is too important to leave to chance. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of the Managing Life and Money Show. Join us next week as we continue our Life Insurance Awareness Month series. In fact, next week will be the last one. A special thanks to Life Happens for their tireless efforts in promoting life insurance education and awareness. I am your host, Marie-Jo César. I will be back again next week. Until then, continue merging life and money. Bye for now.